In 2025, more Americans than ever are switching to ultra-wide monitors for both work and gaming, and this trend is growing fast because one screen is now doing the job that used to require 2 or even 3 displays, giving people a cleaner setup and a more immersive experience without the clutter. And the biggest reason behind this shift is productivity, because ultra-wide monitors allow professionals to keep multiple apps open side by side, like emails, documents, browsers, and video calls, without constantly switching windows, which saves time and reduces mental fatigue, especially for remote workers in the USA who spend long hours in front of a screen, and programmers, designers, video editors, and stock traders are finding that a single ultra-wide display helps them stay focused and organized while working more efficiently, while eye strain is also reduced since there's no distracting bezel in the middle like there is with dual monitor setups, making long work sessions feel smoother and more natural. And beyond work, gaming is a massive reason why ultra-wide monitors are taking over American desks, because modern games now fully support ultra-wide resolutions, offering a wider field of view that makes racing games, shooters, and open-world titles feel far more immersive than standard screens. And once gamers experience that extra width, going back to a regular monitor or TV feels limiting. And console gamers are also getting interested as more consoles and games begin to support wider aspect ratios or benefit from the cinematic feel these monitors provide, while competitive gamers appreciate the smooth high refresh rates and fast response times that many ultra-wide gaming monitors now offer, giving them both visual advantage and smoother gameplay. And another major factor driving this trend in the USA is space efficiency, because many people live in apartments, shared homes, or dorms where desk space is limited, and an ultra-wide monitor replaces multiple screens while keeping the setup compact and visually clean, and price is no longer a barrier like it used to be, since ultra-wide monitors have become far more affordable in 2025, with excellent options available at prices similar to buying 2 good monitors, making them a smart long-term investment. And modern ultra-wide monitors are also extremely versatile, easily connecting to laptops, PCs, gaming consoles, and even tablets, allowing Americans to use one display for work during the day and gaming or entertainment at night, which fits perfectly with today's flexible lifestyles. And content creators and streamers are also embracing ultra-wide displays because they make video editing timelines, audio tracks, and creative tools easier to manage on a single screen, improving workflow without constant zooming or scrolling. And from a design perspective, ultra-wide monitors simply look modern and premium, matching minimalist desk setups that are popular across the USA. And as technology continues to move toward multitasking, remote work, and immersive entertainment, ultra-wide monitors are becoming the go-to choice for Americans who want more screen space, better focus, and a more engaging experience without adding complexity, making 2025 the year ultra-wide displays officially become the new standard for both work and gaming in the United States.